Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 7th. Today we are going to start our exercise 17b. Before starting the exercise, we let clear one or two definitions. A tessellation is created when a flat shape is repeated over and over and over, covering a plane without leaving any space in between. Another word for tessellation is tiling. You can see in these pictures, these are the plane surfaces and they are covered with the same pictures, with the same shapes, leaving no space. So they are covered. In this picture you can say one dimension of arrow is to this side and one is to this side, one is to this side and one is to that side. So what is the circumference? Circumference is of a circle is an area, this any circle, the total area, the total round of the circle, that is known as the circumference. So the distance around the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. The distance around the boundary, this is the boundary of a circle, it is called a circumference. One way of measuring the circumference circle is to place the length of a thread along the circumference. Take to avoid overlapping the two ends of the thread, and then straighten the length of its of that thread, and then measure that. And the answer is number that approximate 3.14, that is 22 by 7. This is a number called pi. This number is called pi and is denoted by the symbol this, and you can write it as on your books. This is a symbol of pi and it is pronounced as pi. And the formula to measure the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Here what is r? This is the circumference of the circle. This is the radius that cuts a circle into two halves, completely two halves. The line or the chord that cuts the circle into equal two halves, that is known as the diameter, and the half of the diameter is known as the radius. The distance from the center point to the any edge of the circle is known as the radius. All these lines are the radius of the circle. This is also the radius. You can say this one is also the radius because this is the distance from the origin. Origin means the center point to the arc, to the circle. This is known as the radius, and the two radius makes one diameter. Two radius will make one diameter. So what's the formula of measuring the area of a circle? That is 2 pi r. Area of the circle is measured as 2 pi r square. In exercise 17b, take pi to be 3.14142 unless stated otherwise. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Question number 1. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. We have to find the area of the circle the formula of area of the circle is 2 pi r square. So radius is given to us, that is 3.5 centimeter. 2, what's the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So what's the value of pi over here? 22 by 7. And r, what's the value of r? That is 3.5 square. 3.5 square. So now you have to do the thing, that is to calculate these amounts, and that will be the answer. On the second question, find the area of a circle circle garden of radius. Here radius is given 42 meters. So you have to write the formula pi r square and can find the value. Find the radius of a circle with an area. Here area is given, but we have to find the radius of the circle in question number 3. Area is given. Find the radius of a circle. Area is 616 square meter, and we have to find its radius. What's the formula of area? 2 pi r square. So area is given 616 square meter. 2 pi r square. 2 is being multiplied over here. First we will write the values. 2, what's the value of pi? That is 22 by 7, and r square. 2 is being multiplied over here. When we will take it to the other side of the equal, it will be divided. 616 divided by 2. 7 is being divided, so it will be multiplied. 22 is being multiplied, it will be divided over here, and r square will remain over here. So after getting the procedure of cancellation, 616 multiplied by 7, that is 4312, multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2, that is 44. So when we will divide these two, as you know that by dividing that we get 98, but it is the radius square and we just have to find the radius, so we will take the square root. After taking its square root, it is 9.899 and up to so on, but we will write only 3 terms after decimal point. Now comes with the question number 4. In question number 4, calculate the area of a circular ring whose internal and external radii are 3 cm and 10 cm respectively. Internal is 3 cm and external is 10 cm respectively. So here we have to find the radius of two circles, 3 cm and 10 cm. Area of first circle. Here are two circles, one is internal circle and one is external circle. So the area of first circle is 3 cm. So the formula of area of circle is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 multiplied by 3 3s are 9. This is the 3 square means 9, so this is the area of first square. Now we will find the area of second square, that has the radius of 10 cm. Area of second square, second circle, having the radius 10 cm, that means 10 square. 22 by 7, that will be 22 by 7 multiplied by 100. So the calculation of that is, and the calculation of this give us the answer, that is 314.286. So now we have to find the calculate the area of a circle ring whose is internal. This is the internal circle and this is the external circle, and we have to find the area of just this ring. So we will subtract this minus this. We will subtract the outer circle minus inner circle, then we will get the area of the ring. So now we have the thing that we have to do. We have to subtract the area of the external circle and the area of the internal circle. Area of the ring is equal to area of external circle minus the area of the internal circle. What's the area of the external circle? And area of the ring is equal to area A, means area of external circle, that is 314.286, and then the area of the internal circle, that was 28.285. Now we will get the difference of these two, that is 285.901. 285.901. So our concern is before the decimal point, after decimal point the answer whatever would be, but doesn't matter. So 285 approximately is the area of the ring, having internal circle 3 centimeter radius and the radius of the external circle 10 centimeter. So the area of the ring, that is 285 centimeter.